I got splashed with cars and everything.
She doesn't give a damn. Like she doesn't care.
She was crying because you all left her.
Was she?
Well, we all don't need a shower tonight. On that note.
Boom, good morning. Bloody raining again. There you go, what can you do? You can't control the weather. Guess what I'm having for breakfast? Bang, there you go. Chopped chilli. Chopped chilli, you can't. You've got to have chilli for breakfast, haven't you? Herb potatoes, fried rice, and fish curry. How's that for breakfast? Different, isn't it? What's wrong? What? Maddie's looking at me like I'm not right.
Chilies.
Chilli and curry for breakfast.
You didn't go in the toilet like that.
There you go. You want to empty the bowels, that's it, that's all you need. So, what do we do with the rain? Got to work out now what we're going to do today. It's still very hot, it's like 28 degrees, but the rain's relentless, so might have to just get drunk. Gotta love the way they do the recycling with the cans here. Check this out. If you're into this sort of thing, this is a seahorse made out of waste cans. Look. What's that all about? It looks like they're doing the same here with what's this? Oh, it's this is made out of hotel slippers. So you've got basically a marlin there made out of hotel slippers, and a seahorse made out of empty cans. It's Sanur Beach. This one's made out of slippers again, hotel slippers, discarded hotel slippers. There's a lot of building going on here at the minute. There's the massive shopping mall that's behind here, the Icon Bali, which is oh, okay, thank you. So there's the Icon. There's masses of building going on here at the minute, as you can see with the cranes and everything. Huge shopping mall that's just been built, and so now everything's being built around it. Now we're getting car parks built and hotels and all the amenities that you'd expect that want to join in on the development. There's plenty of them. Where the sand meets the sea. Yeah, it looks very nice up there, doesn't it? Bubba Gump Shrimp Company. Beautiful. I've got to admit though, this is the quietest I've seen Sanur for a long time. I've been coming here for a long time, and it's very quiet compared to what it normally is. The answer, I don't know, no idea. But normally it's bustling, this promenade. But you do meet some dodgy people along here, I must admit. None more dodgy than these two are walking up here right now. Just spotted them. And if you want to look for dodgy characters, there's a right pair of dodgy characters.
Huh?
Huh? What?
Like a right what? Dodgy characters.
Sanur Beach. Boo. It's all about, here's what it's all about. Boom. Icon Bali swing there. People going on it with the photographs taken and whatnot. The airport's very, very close by, as you can see. Aeroplanes coming into land up there. If you can see it, I don't know if the camera's picking that up. And a huge shopping mall there, which I'm definitely not going in. That is not going to happen. It's not on my list of priorities. Without a doubt, I will not be going anywhere near that. Not a chance. So I often wonder, well, I'm walking along the promenade here in Sanur, and just come across this building here, which is predominantly glass. And when I see buildings like this, it always makes me wonder. You've seen the infrastructure, you've seen the roads, you've seen most of the things that come. How do they transport pieces of glass that size in this country? Is beyond me. That's the question. Incredible. Look how big are them pieces of glass. Each pane must be 20 foot tall. Wow. They ain't getting that on the back of a moped, are they? Or are they? No idea. Only his head. There's a lot of building going on in Sanur. A hell of a lot of building. Daisy. Yeah, this hotel here, this is one that I've stopped at before. It used to be called the Inner Grand Hotel, but now it's called the Bali Beach Hotel, which looks like it's still undergoing quite a bit of renovation, but it's certainly changed a lot since we were there. A lot. Hell of a lot. Yeah, so when I used to stay in this hotel, in fact, I was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 floors up on that very last corner window, so I can actually see the room that we was in. But when I used to stop there, this pool here in front of me, that wasn't there. That was a big beach bar. I used to come out of the hotel, go to this corner of the other pool, which is no longer there, and used to go into a beach bar, which is here. I used to love it in there as well. It used to be so chilled out, relaxed, and it's no longer there. It's gone. The beach bar's gone. So that was the Inner Grand, which is no longer there. The Inner Grand Hotel. The Inner Grand, the hotel itself, still there, but it's changed its name. It's been renovated, and the beach bar is absolutely disappeared, which is a shame. It really is a shame. Oh, there you go. Supposed to call it progress. Sanur is very, very quiet at this moment in time. It's Probably the quietest I've ever seen it, to be fair. Usually this beach is bustling, you know, these sunbeds, you find it hard to get one. But not today. Incidentally, all that whistling you can hear, there's a volleyball competition going on over here. Seems to be quite an important thing going on there, because I see all the posters around the court, all the banks are sponsoring it and the beer companies, and there's actually TV cameras filming it as well, so must be some sort of tournament going on, probably national, I don't know, could be national. But it's definitely a beach volleyball competition of some importance going on there. It's got the proper setup. Well, I've done enough bloody walking on this promenade now. I'm of the mind now is the next bar, I'm falling into it. It's definitely bing tang time for me. It's got to be done, hasn't it? I mean, I've walked off my breakfast now. Now it's time to take on some, let's say, liquid refreshment, shall we? That's the best way I could say it. Liquid refreshment. Otherwise known as, we're going on the piss. Give me. Now she's running back now. This is where you get the boats to and from Labongong Island, which is somewhere I've always wanted to go, to be fair. £2.50. Minimum 6 persons, 55. And there's the timings. Yeah, so basically that's somewhere I've always wanted to go, is a Nusa Labongon and Nusa Penida. More reason than any was I wanted to get my drone up over there, but the weather's so it's very hard to plan anything. We're getting so much rain at the moment. The trouble is the rain comes without warning. So putting the drone up is a major gamble. I mean, the rain's just going to take it. The drone's not waterproof. It's going to take it straight out the sky if that rain comes down. And if I'm over water, I've lost my drone. It's as simple as that. So I'm not willing to take that risk. But it's a shame. I've never been coming to Bali over 20 years now, and I still haven't made it to them islands. I'm in the actual resort where you catch the boats to them islands, but I can't guarantee the weather. And I've got one day left to do it. I'm going to have to see. I mean, who knows? I can't get up in the morning. It might be beautiful sunshine. If it does, I'll be down here. I'll be on a boat and I'll be gone. But we'll just have to see. You just can't plan it. It's at this moment in time you cannot plan it. The weather forecasts say what they say on your phone when you go into the weather forecast, and it's totally different. It just changes. It can change at a heartbeat. It's because we're in the rainy season, you see. So maybe if I don't do it this time, maybe I'll do it next time. I keep saying it, but then again, it's always good if there's something I haven't done here, because I have to come back to see if I can get to do it. And that's it. In a nutshell, I'll be back, like Arnold Schwarzenegger says. Hey. There's loads of bicycles, but all for rent, but nobody's really using them at the minute. It's not that many people here. Hello! You okay?
Okay.
Good. Shopping? Nah, shopping for beer. Shopping? Don't want to be doing that, do we? Shopping. I've got a wife that can do that. Yeah, it seems to be everything. They're all doing renovations. They're all building. Everybody's. It's like it's close season and everyone's getting ready for, like we do in the winter back home, getting ready for the next year. I mean, look at that. Due to renovation, we are closed. Open tomorrow. They don't say which tomorrow. I like that sign. That's funny. Due to renovation, we are closed. Tomorrow open. Which tomorrow? Tomorrow never comes, eh? Tomorrow never comes. So there's loads of these little tacky shops along the prom. Tacky shops everywhere. Quite a nice chilled out place there by the looks of it. The bird with a Y, the birdhouse, BYRD. That's the birdhouse bar on the beach there. It's nice, relaxed and chilled out, that, isn't it? There we go. Just walking into a bloody puddle. Okay. Christmas Eve dinner, anybody? So Christmas Eve dinner, yeah, 790k plus means the tax, the government tax plus service charge. So you're probably going to be looking about 900. 900 will be 40 quid, 45 quid for the Christmas Eve dinner. 5-course set menu, so that's not bad, is it? Christmas Day, Christmas brunch. Hey. It's all going on here at Christmas, isn't it? All going on. Hello. Massage. You want massage? I give you massage. Okay. There you go. You okay? You good? My family's up there. I have to catch them up.
Just 1 minute.
I cannot.
It's a big market.
I know. No.
You like one thing, maybe but very cheap, but today
Nah, I'm okay, thank you.
it's raining.
I know it's raining.
I have tissue shop for you.
No, thank you. Boom. Well, don't know where they've gone now. I've lost them. That's not a bad thing, though, is it? To be fair. Don't know where they've gone. Oh, I've got sight of them. They're miles away now, all the way up there, being tailed by somebody who's saying, "Look at my shop." Come and look at my shop. Look at the Bali beach dogs. Look. It don't matter where you go in Bali, you'll always see beach dogs. Oh. Turtle conservation. And a big turtle. Big turtle on the beach. I'm hoping to see a couple of live ones of them in Ahmed. That's if the water's clear enough. When I get to Ahmed, that's the next stop we're going in a couple of days. We're going to Ahmed, which is up there on the northeast. Hopefully. There's fresh seafood. Oysters. Snapper. Ooh. Can't beat a bit of fresh seafood, can you? It's all still alive in the tank there, till you want it. Oh. See all these at night, all these restaurants come to life. You notice all the strings of lights up in the trees. Yeah. Looks so much different at night. So much different. Look, absolutely stunning. You get a lot of people down here having evening dinner on the beach. Done it so many times before. And it's absolutely lovely, to be fair. The only thing you got to be careful of is the weather, of course. Yeah, I'm okay, thank you. And that's all. I just get surfboards. Oh, I've definitely been in this one before. Yep, I've been in there before. I remember it well. See, like I say, another little restaurant here, but you look up in the trees there, you see all the light bulbs everywhere. So you can imagine it. Might get to walk down here at night. All depends. It depends if it's if the weather's right. Come for a wander and show you. Got 2 days left here. This is day one. I've got all day tomorrow, and then the day after we head for Ahmed. But if I get a chance, we'll take a wander down here at night. Just show you how different it is at night. It's absolutely stunning. You wouldn't think it looking at it now, but it all does come to life at night. Wow, guess what I've just found? Check out the menu. Boom, I'm on the beach. Dude. Guinness smooth. Guinness. Just have to see what it's all about. I've never seen Guinness in Bali before, so here's the first. Pardon?
Just a plate.
What did you want? Oh, Malibu.
Just a plate. Malibu na buong ano?
What ice cream do you have?
Just get me a Bing's Time Radler.
All right. Radler, have you got Radler?
Yeah, we have. One bintang red light.
We've got Radler, which is a lemon bintang Radler. Which is something that I don't like. What we're waiting for with the Guinness. Oh dear, what can the matter be? Where's my Guinness? I think this is like some form of Balinese torture. They've took the bottle out of the fridge, put it 8 foot away from me so I could see it. I'm gasping for a drink. And they just... Look, it's there. It's there. It's over there somewhere. There it is, Guinness. But they took it out of the fridge and now they're just letting it go warm on the counter. What's it all about? Ooh. They put me through some sort of torture here.
Who?
These.
Why?
They put my Guinness over there so I can look at it, but I can't. What's that all about? What are they doing to me?
It's even better. You'll like it more. When it finally arrives, you'll like it more, won't you?
It's like Chinese water torture, isn't it? I bet they're going to strap me down on a bed and just drop it onto my forehead, drop by drop. Come on.
No, say hey now.
Can I have a glass for the Guinness, please? Yeah, a glass for the Guinness. I'm not drinking that out of a bottle. Yeah, I think we got trainees here. I don't realise how much I'm looking forward to a Guinness. I've seen a Guinness for the first time in Bali and they're putting me through this torture. What's it all about? They're filling the tray up. All they've got to do is turn around and put it on the bar.
It's like Iceland. Magnum. And I don't like Iceland.
No. They're taking it over there now. We're going the long way round. I'm going to be the last person that gets a drink. What's going on? Right guys, I can't wait for this. I can't wait for this. This is a first. Thank you. Oh, and a proper Guinness glass as well. Okay, Guinness Smooth. Guinness Smooth, never heard of it. But, we're just about, where's it? Where's it bottled? This is a weird one. It's definitely from okay, let's do it. Let's see what we're all about. Oh, it's pouring well, that. It's pouring well. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Stop. Now we're talking. Now we're talking, viewers. So that's 40 first, that's £2, isn't it? £2, isn't it? Just £2. Got a nice head on it, let's have a look. I take the head off it. Okay, it's a far cry from the draft. It's nothing like the draft, but it has got the same characteristics in the taste. That with the draft Guinness, you notice on the top you get a clear white head normally. Here we got like a beige coloured head on the top. Guinness Smooth, it's called Guinness Smooth. I've never ever seen it before in my life, but 7,000 miles away from home, I'm not going to complain. Guinness on the beach in Bali, an exclusive from me. Let's see. It's good. It is good. It's not as good as a Guinness draft that we get back home in cans, but it's a very close second. It is very good. It's nice. We're looking at £4.5% alcohol. Guinness Smooth. Must be just in this part of the world because I've never seen it back home. And I guess they've got the label in that that beigey colour to replicate the actual colour of the head that you get on the actual beer itself. I'm hoping to find this when I go to Lavina now. I'm quite excited. Saying that, back home, Guinness is not a drink that I would drink normally in the summer. It's not like a summertime drink. You have something more refreshing like a lager, don't you? Or an IPA. But just seeing it there on the menu for the first time I've seen it on the menu in Bali, I thought, gotta give it a try on it, I've got to do it. So, overall, not quite as good as the draft, but it's passable. It's not something I'd be drinking on a permanent basis over here. I just had to give it a try. But yeah, I'll be having it again.
If it starts raining, yeah.
So anyway, me with my Guinness, I'm happy now. To give you a little bit of the view we've got from where I'm sat here, even though it's not a red hot sunny day, I'll just give you an idea of the surroundings here. Sat right on the beach front here in Sanur. Pretty good, eh? Lovely, isn't it? It's absolutely stunning. Like I said before, it's one of my favourite places in Bali, to be fair. Ideal location for families because there's no road, there's no vehicles, no motorised vehicles on this promenade whatsoever. All you do get is the push bikes coming up and down. That's it. And so very safe for your kids. And normally on a hot day you'd see jet skis for hire and all sorts of motorsports going on out there, but today unfortunately there's none. Usually have kayaks as well and paddle boards. Paddle boards is another favourite here. But, I haven't seen any of them up to now today. But what I have found is Guinness in Bali. Wow! I can't escape Christmas. Look what they've done to these trees. What they're doing. Look. Anyone would think it's Christmas. Got baubles everywhere. What's going on? We're getting too westernised over here. Okay, guys. Nice little stone carvings on there. Lovely, lovely. These pergolas out here on the water. I've had many a happy evening in there, sat on there watching the sun go down. Used to be absolutely stunning on a hot day. Get yourself out the sun and just take in the weather over there. Done it many a time. The missus. That must be obeyed. Happy wife, happy life.
My sandals just snapped. Ellie ones as well. There's some water.
Sandal snapped, look. The flip-flop hunt's over, but we got the sandal hunts on. We're going on the sandal hunt.
They're my Ellie ones.
That makes a change from a flip-flop hunt. Sandal hunt commences.
Yeah, no, but
Okay, it's over. I knew it'd be over very quick. The slider hunt is over. Look, she's got new shoes already. Took all of about 3 or 4 minutes. The old ones have been put to rest, now they're gone, and the new ones are on the feet. That's it. The slider hunt's over. Don't get much videos out of a slider hunt. That's it. So we're only like 3 or 4 days into our holidays. We've already had a flip-flop hunt and a slider hunt. Get that, viewers. Everything falls apart over here.